Hello everyone. Today we take a look at the crisis in Moi University main campus, Eldoret, where lectures have stopped. This is because the lecturers have refused to attend the classes since they have not received their paychecks. A meeting between the administrative delegates and the lecturers took place in order to find a resolution between the two parties, but no agreement could be reached, so the lecturers had to strike, and the strike continued. That meant that there could be no learning, no activity could take place. We saw noises being made as they blew their trumpets so that their demands could be met by the administration. This event took place for around 3 days in order for the administration to work in hand with them so that they could receive their paycheck, since they had worked relentlessly to ensure that learning had gone smoothly even though they had not received their paychecks. Due to that, the school decided to suspend learning and all students were ordered to pack their things and go home. As you can see above, the students were carrying their suitcases as they traveled back to their home since they have been told to evacuate the school premises. Even some officers were brought since there were rumors that some of the students wanted to strike. Afterwards, there was nothing in the school compound. Not even one person could be seen, as everyone had departed to go into their homes.